Have you been posting videos on YouTube and you're wondering why you're not getting views? Well, today I will be sharing you some secrets and what you have been doing that has been hindering your views. Number one, here we have if you have not verified your channel. This verifying of channel is like letting YouTube know that you are a creator. Letting YouTube know that you are a creator, you have to verify your face and your phone number. If you do not verify your face or your phone number, YouTube will see you as a user, which is a viewer, not a creator. Every creator on YouTube verify their face and their phone number. That is to make sure you are human and you are not a robot, because there are some robots controlling some channels on YouTube. Not every comment you see are made by humans. Some are robots. So YouTube needs to be sure if you are human or not. So number two here, if you are not using the right keywords on your video, like if you make content and you are not using the right keyword. When I say keyword, what do I mean by keywords? Keywords are your topic in your videos. Those topic, when you, like, if I made a video now and I write maybe I make a video about baking cake, and I said this is how to bake cake. My keyword there is this is how to bake cake. That's my keyword. Cake there is the keyword. If you're not using the right keyword on your videos, like the right title, let me just put it the right title, because title is equivalent to keywords. If you're not using the right title on your video will get shallowed to the ground, like people will not see it. Maybe you make a video about how you went to school, your vlog video, how you went to school, and you write how I went to farm, or how I went to. YouTube will not recommend that video, because that video is not about farm or other place. It's about how you went to school. If you put the right keyword and YouTube verify and see that the keyword you put on your video is equivalent to what you do on the video, YouTube will recommend that video. So make sure you use the right keywords on your video. Number three here, if you are not posting in the right time. I know some people will be like, how do I know the right time to post? How do I know the right time to post? Well, because YouTubers keep saying post the right time, post the right time. I know if you have 1K followers on your channel, you might have the idea of seeing what your viewers need and the time your viewers are active. So, but if you don't have the 1K subscribers on your channel like me, you can decide to post 4 different videos at 4 different times, or 3 different videos at 3 different times. So you observe that video you post at that different time, at that specific time. So you will observe the video and know the one that performed well. The one that performed well is your ideal time. So you will write that time down and keep uploading your rest video at that time. The next one here we have there is if you are posting other people's videos. If you are posting other people's videos, maybe you create your channel and you start uploading other people's video at first, and along the line you change your mind and you decided to make your own videos. That videos you uploaded back then, before you made up your mind to start uploading your own videos, that video will hinder your channel, because that video you upload are not your real video and not your original content. You can't bypass. You have to delete those videos you uploaded back then and restart the channel as fresh. Even if you have 100,000 views, 200,000 views from those videos, you need to delete it and start uploading from scratch, your own content from scratch. Because I learned the hard way. I did this on my channel and I learned the hard way. Please don't do it. If you are starting your YouTube channel, don't upload video, other people's video, even if you have views, you keep getting views from those videos, don't upload other people's video. Delete those videos and start uploading your original content. That will be all for now. And I don't want to make this video long, because I would like to show you how to verify your channel. I would like to show you, but I don't want to make this video very long. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, do it by clicking that button now, because I will be uploading the part 2 of this video on how to verify your channel. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.